welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation with the brand new Sony Xperia 10V IE. Get ready to be blown away. First off, let's talk about the design. The Sony Xperia 10V IE boasts a sleek and stylish look with its glass front and plastic frame. It's not just a phone, it's a fashion statement. And with its compact dimensions and lightweight build, it's a breeze to carry around wherever you go. Now, let's talk display. Feast your eyes on the gorgeous 6.0-inch OLED screen, offering vibrant colors and crisp details. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or gaming on the go, the Xperia 10V IE delivers an immersive viewing experience like no other. But wait, there's more. Say cheese to the incredible camera setup on the Xperia 10V IE. With a versatile triple rear camera system, including a 12-megapixel main shooter, an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, you'll capture every moment in stunning detail. Plus, with features like optical image stabilization and HDR, your photos will always look picture perfect. Transition to host discussing per4. Under the hood, the Xperia 10V IE packs a punch with its Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 chipset and octa-core processor. Whether you're multitasking like a pro or indulging in some hardcore gaming, this powerhouse of a phone can handle it all with ease. And with options for 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space again. Now, let's talk about battery life. With its massive 5000 mAh battery, the Xperia 10V IE keeps you powered up all day long. And when it's time to recharge, you'll be back up and running in no time thanks to fast charging support. Say goodbye to battery anxiety once and for all. And of course, we can't forget about the little extras that make all the difference. From the convenience of a side-mounted fingerprint sensor to the joy of experiencing high-quality audio with the 3.5mm audio jack and loudspeaker, the Xperia 10V IE is packed with features designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. The Sony Xperia 10V IE is not just a smartphone, it's a game changer. With its stunning design, top-of-the-line features, and unbeatable performance, it's the ultimate companion for all your adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.